Hey friends, if you're a freelancer looking to boost your income in 2025, AI tools are your new best friends. Today, I'll show you how to turn tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and a few hidden gems into real cash, no matter your skill level. Let's start with ChatGPT. Imagine having a super smart assistant that never gets tired. Yep, that's ChatGPT. You can use it to write blog articles for clients, whip up catchy LinkedIn posts, or even run social media accounts. I know freelancers who are making a living just offering AI-powered content writing gigs on sites like Upwork and Fiverr. You don't need to be a novelist. Just guide ChatGPT with the right prompts, proofread, and deliver. Now let's talk visuals. Canva is perfect if you want to create professional graphics, even if you can't draw a stick figure. Think logos, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or digital ads. Businesses need graphics daily, and with Canva's AI features, you can design faster, smarter, and more creatively than ever. Start offering quick design gigs or monthly social media packs. Clients love seeing their brand pop, and you'll love how easy it is. But what if you want to stand out? Try Descript for video editing. You literally edit videos by typing, and AI cleans up audio, removes filler words, and even clones your voice. Video content is exploding, and brands are desperate for editors who work fast. With Descript, you can deliver polished content in record time. Another hot pick, Notion AI. This tool isn't just for notes. You can automate project tracking, client management, and even create templates to sell online. Imagine offering AI-optimized Notion workspaces for busy entrepreneurs. They'll pay for the time you save them. A quick pro tip, combine these tools. Use ChatGPT for copy, Canva for visuals, Descript for video, and Notion for project management. The more services you bundle, the more you can charge. And don't forget to market yourself as an AI-powered freelancer. Clients love buzzwords, and if you actually deliver faster and better, you're worth every penny. To wrap up, 2025 is the year to work smarter, not harder. These AI tools aren't just for techies. They're for anyone ready to hustle and learn. Start small, experiment, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Your next big earning opportunity could be just one tool away.